inside Dairy Queen because 5 new Blizzards I gotta try, and we're gonna eat them right now. Let's go. So, I don't know which is which, but we're gonna try to figure it out. 5 new ones. I think this is the cotton candy. This is the confetti cake. I believe this is the s'mores. And then, no, that's the brownie mix-up bowl. That's the s'mores. And this is the strawberry cheesecake. So, let's eat it. Let's eat the strawberry cheesecake. Those bits of strawberry and chocolate. It's like strawberry ice cream. Look at that bit of cheesecake in there. It's soft too. There's a worker. He was just giving me a stink eye. So, strawberry's pretty decent. I don't know why there's chocolate pieces though. And there needs to be more cheesecake pieces. So, what can I say? I'll probably go 7 out of 10 on that one. 7 out of 10. Moving right down the line. I believe this is the s'mores. It is. There's ground up graham pieces in here. Oh, look at that piece of chocolate. This one's fabulous. Huge pieces of chocolate in there. And I love the graham. There's so much graham. That's an 8. Next up, brownie mix-up bowl. Mashup. There's cookie dough pieces in there. I like this one. Tastes like a brownie in Blizzard form. Well, that's better than the s'mores. That's an 8.5. 8.5 out of 10. Alright, what's this? This is the confetti cake. Birthday cake. These spoons, look at it. It makes it look like I'm shaking. It's a big piece of cake in there. There's sprinkles in here too. But it's kind of plain. This kind of tastes like a vanilla Blizzard. How much that frosty? Well, I mean, you get some chunks, but that one's disappointing to me. That's only a 6.5. 6.5. It's not better than the strawberry. Let's move on to the cotton candy. That is an odd cotton candy flavor. Doesn't really taste like cotton candy, but it's not bad. It is crunchy. better than the confetti cake. 7 out of 10. So, there you have it. Not great, but these two are the best. The s'mores and the brownie mix-up. They're the best ones. So, try to say, we got them all. That's it for today. Come back again for another food review. You never know what will be.
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share, bruh.